Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So in this video I'm going to draw Goku from Dragon Balls and this is the reference photo, so let's start. And I'm gonna start with an anatomy structure and this is gonna be a real help when drawing the body. So right now I'm drawing the structure for the face and draw the jaws randomly. I will deal with them later. Okay, now after the structure of the face, let's draw the two lines for the neck. And then this straight line for the shoulders. This line is just touching the bottom of the chin. And now I'm drawing the two circles at the both ends of this line. They are also for the shoulders. And now I'm drawing the circle in the middle to complete the upper body. And this structure is actually for a muscular body. You can't use this structure for one who is skinny. And after the circle shape, let's draw this tiny rectangle for the waist. And just these ovals are for the legs. So everyone, I'm requesting you to watch till the end and like the video right now. I hope you will do that. So now getting back to the arms, first I drew this round triangle and then a tiny circle at the end is for the joint. And now again a round triangle and boom, our arm anatomy structure is complete. And now I'm gonna proceed the same on the other side. If you are still watching and you are new to my channel and you are thinking that this video is gonna be helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be a great help in growing this new art channel. So I hope you will support. Finally, structure is complete and let's lighten it a little and then start drawing the actual body. I'm starting from the face and this is just the tiny mouth or lips. And then just above it, draw a tiny nose. This thing must not be much difficult to draw as they are close together and we are drawing it in tiny, so easy. And then this line is for the eyes. Accidentally it's a little tilted. You are not gonna do that. Okay, now it's looking like two right angled triangles are connected at their heads. And now just gonna draw the eyes in between them. You can see it's super easy. Be careful to draw the next eye because it should be same. Must be. And the reason I took this reference photo is that maybe Goku fans are desperate to draw this picture. So why not make it easy for them? Okay, now time to draw the jawline. Starting from the chin, I'm proceeding upward. And damn, my first guess was right for the jawline. I know, I'm skilled at sketching a little. Okay, you are gonna draw the jawline just like this. And it's easy in this way. And guys, if any one of you is Goku fan, then don't forget to mention in the comments. Okay, starting from the right eye, I proceeded like this. It's like you're gonna draw a triangle at the forehead. Yeah, it looks like this. And just draw the hair now. I think nothing to explain about it. And I think that my sketching principle, which is the ear starts from the eyes and end at the nose, is again a lie, is again proved wrong by Goku. Like his ears are starting I don't know from where and ending somewhere between nose and the eyes. So I needed to ignore this principle, right? Okay, finally these hairs are done, and now let's draw the super thick neck, starting from the ears. And right now I'm drawing the shoulder, and it's kind of round, just like a circle, and do the same on the other side. And try to draw the arm too, following the anatomy structure. Keep the bend of the arm at the joint, like the biceps should be ending right before the joint. And now it's time to draw the lower arm right now. Okay, now the left arm is done, and do the same on the right side. Draw the right arm carefully.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
And now to complete the upper body, let's draw the center line. And now I'm marking the chest. And these are the abs I'm marking in the form of a square shape. And now let's start drawing the actual structure according to the reference.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear away the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Drawing the ripped shirt, that probably his own doing. Okay, now finally our structure is done after 1 hour, and now let's remove it and do the outline with 8B pencil. I'm actually not recommending you to remove the structure and do the outline because sometimes the sketch will be ruined. It happened to me many times. So if you don't want your sketch to be ruined, then don't do the outline and don't remove the sketch. Just get straight to the shading after drawing the sketch, okay? So the outline is almost complete, and now I'm using this HB pencil for the shading, and it's a normal pencil that we use for writing in daily life. I'm trying the hatching style of shading, but if you don't want to do that, just shade the places straight like I have been doing in my previous videos. I do hatching sometimes when I am tired of my neat and clean sketches and smooth shadings, cause I think doing hatching is really a kind of relief, and no doubt it looks cool too. HB's job is done, and now I'm using a 2B, which is a little darker than it, and shade rest whatever it is. Okay, the sketch and the shading is finally done, and let's do your signature in the end and go to see the final look. Here's the final look, and I hope that video was helpful, and if you're a Goku fan then like the video.